回答这行长黄正勋今日也去做美超美创办人牛建秀的这个主题演讲特别来宾。牛建秀问黄正勋敢会烦恼咱人去互 AI 控制起来？黄正勋讲背是因为咱人爱互 AI 做更较好，未来 AI 也爱推进安全机制。
回答共同创办人甲执行长黄正勋，初五展时为美超美创办人牛建后担任主题演讲的特别来宾。当牛建后向黄正勋来报价家己产品的介绍，黄正勋也大闹台语。
More than $2 million per rag.
咱遐尼侪人伫遮，你咧甲我出价？
因应 AI 时代来临，牛建后以中文来提问黄正勋，是不是烦恼讲 AI 控制人类？黄正勋也给予否定的答案。
Of course not. We have to. The most important thing, of course, at the moment is we have to make AI work well. In the future, we'll do the same thing with AI. There will be AIs that watch AIs. There are people that watch AIs. There's guardrails that keep AI guardrailed. And so there's going to be a whole lot of different technologies we need to create for safety, technology for safety.
黄正勋离开演讲了后，中途走往台北市一间餐厅去食饭。当媒体问到讲台积电新任董事长魏铁家伫测试股东会了后，对外讲要向回答执行长黄正勋来讲这产品伤贵，黄正勋也做出回应。
I think TSMC, their contribution to the industry is really great, and raising prices, I think, is consistent with the value that they deliver, and so I'm very happy to see them succeed.
另外，车用晶片大厂恩智浦执行副总裁甲技术长，初五下晡为台北国际电脑展做主题演讲，也讲到智慧互联机器人的时代已经来了。更加点名台积电可能是首先执行先进概念的公司之一。
And TSMC is maybe one of the first companies in the world because the semiconductor factories are so capital intense and so heavy to invest in that these far advanced concepts are taking place for the first time. But Taiwan is one of the front runners in all of that.
Thank you.
另外 ，AMD 创办人苏志峰测试暗时宴请80位供应商的伙伴，大家焦点拢伫 AI 产业发展，拿来台抢单，也别万调供应商伫 AI 时代之下，未来科技产业版图恐惊重新洗牌，市场也是真关心注意。记者综合报道。